Hello everyone. In this series of LLD, I will prepare, I will try to cover all the design patterns and all the LLD questions that are asked in some companies like Amazon, ShareChat, PhonePe, or Databricks. So I will try to cover the LLD questions that are asked in these companies. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe. Today we are starting from just from zero, a simple pattern which is called Singleton pattern, but we will also see where the concurrency is considered, where is the race condition happen in this Singleton design pattern also. So it is the framework which we have taken like two threads, and this is a Singleton class. So first of all, we need to understand what is Singleton class. So Singleton class is like you are running an application, and you can say like there is only one instance of this object that can be in that application. Okay, Singleton. This is the class, the object, the number of object that can be in a single process is only one. So that's why we called it Singleton class. So let me go ahead and implement it. So I will just go and also keep one name also. So that will help later actually. Private static name, string name. Name is empty, and name we will take in input. String name. Okay, and this dot static it is called actually. Non-static methods can't be. This dot name is equal to name. Okay. So this is the just a single class. Like if you have seen, this is generic class. There is no singleton in this. Okay. But you can see this is a private, so nobody call it like directly. So that's why we keep it as a private. Now how we will do? We will convert into singleton class. So first of all, let's do one thing. Let's create a public method which is accessed by the other classes. I will return them as a singleton. Also, this public class is static. Okay, and public static singleton get instance. Okay, and here also we will take the name, which is the name of the this variable actually. Okay, and what we will do, we will say if. Okay, and also we need to take we need to create a another variable which we call private static singleton, which we call instance. Okay, instance. Okay, okay, so this is the instance, or what we will say, if instance is null. In case when it will be null, it will be null when it is not being defined. So we will check if it is not null, just create a new instance actually. Sorry. Instance is equal to new singleton. We will call this class. It is private, but it can be called from its own methods. Okay, so that's the beauty of private. So instance, we call it, and we just return the instance. Okay, this is just a simple. If you see, we just call get instance. If it is null, then we define it. Otherwise, return instance. Okay. Now let's do it one thing. Also run it parallelly also. Okay. So I will also expose one method which is like public string get name. Okay. And this will be return this dot name. Okay. So this is the public method actually. Let me go here and first of all call the instance Singleton class. Singleton 1 is equal to new singleton, name is thread 1. Okay, and you can't call it actually. This is a private method. Sorry, we can call get instance only. Okay, singleton 1, and what we will say now, singleton 1 dot get name, and what we will do, we just print it. Okay, and this is being printed out, and this is the singleton 2 class, which is thread 2 singleton 2. Now T1 to start. Let me run it. Thread 1. Okay. This is expected, but I will tell you, like, in some cases you can see thread 1, thread 2 also. That is not expected. Let me rerun it. You can see it now. Okay. So thread 1, thread 2. How it is possible? If I can tell you how it is possible. Thread 1 come here. At the same time, thread 2 also come here. So thread 1, thread 2, both are in the race condition. So both are on this if condition, and both are null. When both are null, we create the instance. Now the two instances are created, which is not a expected behavior of singleton. So how we can avoid this thread race condition? So one of the best way means simple way is like use the synchronized keyword. Okay, just use the synchronized keyword and put it inside there. Okay, when synchronized keyword is there, only one thread can go inside this. Okay, and to apply the double security, what we can do, we can just just keep it into another if loop. Okay, okay, so this is now, what is this saying, make it okay, so I will define that also. Okay, so we have defined this. So there is only one instance that can be, one thread that can go into this. Let's run again. Like, will it give the thread 1, thread 2 again? Thread 1, thread 1, thread 2, thread 2, thread 2, thread 1. No double thread. Okay, it is fully thread secure race condition. There is no race condition that will happen again. Okay, so we are fine now. Now, how we can make it a little more secure? I will introduce a keyword like, let's suppose if thread 1 is doing something, so thread 2 can't see that value, right? In general, it is happening now. If thread 1 is overwriting some variable, thread 2 can't see. In this case, it is instance. Okay. Now, if let's suppose if we want, like, if thread 1 is overriding something, thread 2 can see that. Then in that case, it is also mentioning here, double check, make instance volatile. So we can make this volatile. Okay, I just say, if you see this is now volatile, and when it is volatile, thread 1 can see the working of the thread 2. So this is how the fully I would say thread safe singleton pattern. Yeah, so I guess it is showing because it is not final now. Yeah, it is done. So this is the Singleton Design Pattern. Guys, this is just a start. Please be subscribed. I will follow and discuss more question lively. I will do the coding lively only. I will not create a prompt and just paste the code base. I will discuss live whatever the questions asked in any company. If you want to solution of some particular problem, please paste the problem into the comment. I will try to solve it, and I will try to make a video on that. Thank you. Bye bye.